Hi, how are you guys? This is Randy Amlon Tattoo, the creator of I Love You Tattoo TV. And here we are again to unboxing new pen type machine that is many tattoo artists are talking about today. It's the P Series exclusive edition, the new P6 by CNC. Okay, here we go. Let's do the unboxing. Wow, check out its nice container. It looks like a vape container. The body is made of air grade alloyed aluminum. Color is mute black, and it also has a gold in the middle like a ring, and weight about 172 grams. RCA connector. Wow, nice. Inside the box you will get the warranty card, user manual, and QC pass, and the two green O-ring and one light RCA cord, and the unit. On the upper part of your machine you can adjust the stroke to 3.0 to 4.0 millimeter. The grip is about 2.5 inches, and you can adjust the needle depth by turning it counterclockwise like that. And if you want to dismantle, just turn it counterclockwise and you will see where you will put the two green O-ring that was in the box earlier. I would like to open it and show you what its X1 customized model looks like, but there's a written warning: forbid remove, it says here. Why it said it fits most of the major brands of cartridge needle, but for now we will use the police cartridge needle that is also made of CNC itself. It has nice red color. And okay, it's time to run this thing. I'll use a 11 round shader at 7 volts, and let's see if it runs even without a kickstart. And wow, hear that sound. I love the sound. Sound is nice, and it's true that it's low noise and low vibration. Cool machine, huh? And also there is no problem even if you change the stroke or the needle depth while it's running. This little machine really impresses me. I can't wait to use it with my client, but for now let's try tattoo practice skin first. Okay, here we go. But before we start, let's test it if it's true that it is easy to wrap, unlike the fat tattoo pens. And look, it's true. The news is true. Cool. Alright, and now let's start. I'll try it first with 11 round shader, and it's up to you to judge. No? Kita? And now I'm using the 11-run shader for color packing, and the performance is very good. I'm amazed. And now I'm using the 21-run Magnum for shading. Look at that smooth shading. Wow. I fell in love with this machine. And now I'm using the 3-round liner for stippling or whipping. Look at that. It's running at 6 volts or 5.5 volts. Sorry. Yeah, look at that. Smooth, consistent. I really love this machine, bro. Thank you, CNC, for giving me this machine. I really appreciate it. And can't wait to use it tomorrow for my clients. Wow. Just wow. I'm still using the 3-round liner, and I'll try to make a fine line, and it's nice to use. It's very comfortable. It's comfortable in my hands, so I can get any difficulty while using it. Alright, now you see how it outlined and shaded. Tomorrow I will use it on real human skin, so don't get lost and join me again if this machine is worth to buy. Special thanks to CNC. CNC Tattoo brand is a top brand of Solong Company Ltd and established in 2018, and they have obtained trademark license and product patents in the United States and Europe and other districts worldwide. They have been specializing in tattoo industry for over 10 years. And if you are interested in buying it, the link is in my description. Shout out, shout out, shout out, shout out.